What makes a good vacuum cleaner? Powerful suction? Lightweight? Versatility? Portability? Oh, don't forget the most important thing, a long runtime for uninterrupted cleaning. How about a detachable battery? Vactidy Blitz has all that and more. Powerful suction? How about a device that effectively cleans? Blitz has a motorized roller brush, tackling the dirt on your floor. The 20 kilopascal suction removes dirt effectively. The cyclonic filtration of Blitz keeps your filter clean for optimum performance. A 180-degree swivel head helps to clean those hard-to-reach places, even under the bed and low furniture. The LED lights leave no place for crumbs to hide. And Blitz does more than work on your floor. It can transform into a handheld vacuum to clean your sofa, bed, vent, keyboard, or car. One button to empty after use. And place it in the wall-mounted dock to save your space. Grab and go whenever you need. Effective and effortless. That's what we think makes a good vacuum cleaner. With Vactidy Blitz, cleaning is that easy.